Hey everyone, I got here is a Arca type mount. As you can see, when I loosen the screw here, it doesn't retract back because the spring is gone. So in order to fix this, you have to take the whole thing out, the bracket here, take it out, screw here, and what you need is a pen, retractable pen, and this one you take this out, use this spring from the pen, and inside here you see there's I don't know the camera can pick it up, but there's two holes here, one on this side, one here, and one here. So since we only have one, and if I put that there, it's really long. So what you do is cut it in the middle, cut in half. Use a wire cutter or whatever tools you have. You could probably use a scissor too if you want. So let me cut this and we'll put it in the hole there. So alright, I got it cut, two pieces, and the one I cut, I'm gonna put it inside here, and the one that's still like really nice, put it outside. So again, there's a hole here, just slide that into the hole there. Yeah, and the other side too. There you go. They'll stick out like that, it's fine. And you put this bracket back in. You see, it's retracting. Let's put the screw in. Uh-oh, what happened to my screw? Now it should retract. See? It's going in and out now. Pull it in, then see, now it retracts back, in, out. Alright, so that's how you fix a bracket that's no longer pushing back out, because the spring is gone. There's still on the damage here because I kept dropping it and it probably popped out while this thing was open like this. So best to keep it closed, that way the spring will, even if you drop it, it should stay inside there. Should, not that it will. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Good night. Bye bye.